Hey guys, I was doing the edits for the rear view mirror install or the reattaching of the button for the rear view mirror, and I I made a mistake, or basically I had an equipment failure. My device that I was working with, the microphone took a crap. However, you can still hear it, and I know that the video, I'm still going to post it, but once you get towards the end, the volume's going to get loud because I'm using my good camera at the end. So just bear with me. I know that the volume and stuff is messed up. I don't need a bunch of comments about, hey, the volume's screwed up. I know. So anyway, enjoy the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. I got some good stuff coming, so y'all be good.
Hey, good afternoon, or good morning actually. Medic 1. Got in my truck yesterday and went to look at my rear view mirror and it was not there. I was like, who the heck stole my rear view mirror? And then I looked down in the seat and it's just laying in the seat. I knew nobody would steal it. I know what happened. It got too daggum hot outside and the glue released on the little button. I went ahead and slid the button out of the rear view mirror. But let's let it get a little bit more daylight outside so I can film how to replace this. Basically reattach this, and you're going to have to clean all the glue off of the button, and then where it mounts, you can see the outline where it was. You'll have to clean that all off. I'm lucky because my toll tag butted right up against the button, so I'll have a square, good, I'll be able to put it back right where it was. Bear with us, and I'm going to be using the PERMATEX rear view mirror kit, or adhesive kit. Like I said, once it gives a little bit more daylight, we'll be able to look at that stuff a little better. Go ahead and take your little button, if it's not already out of there. Slide it up out of the holder for the rear view mirror. First thing I got to do is get all the glue off of the button, and I'm gonna do that. You can do it by hand. You can use a razor blade. You can use some sandpaper, but I'm just gonna get it done pretty quick with the wire brush here on my grinder. I came over here to the grinder over here by the machine shop. It's got a stone that's not quite as aggressive. I'm just gonna barely scratch the surface. Then I'm going to come over here to my wire brush and I'm going to brush it again. That's what you want it to look like right there. You don't want it gouged and you don't want it, shiny, but you want just some scratches in there so that adhesive will adhere. Let's go ahead and open up the PERMATEX rear view mirror adhesive kit. The part number will be right there. Focus please. 765 1184. The applicator for basically it's a cleaning pad, and it's the activator. It says to open the package and just fold it back like this, and basically you're going to take it and you're going to clean the area very good. You can overlap and make it bigger. It says to let this dry for 1 minute. Also clean the back and activate your button. This kit will not work with plastic buttons. It'll only work with metal buttons. Now, the adhesive package is going to give you way more than you need. You just need to put one small drop right in the middle, right there, and immediately stick it to the glass. I'm going to hold it kind of down like this until I get to where I need to be. Here we go. It says to hold it there for 1 minute. I won't bore you with that, but just hold it there for, like I said, a minute, and I'm going to let go of it. Well, the instructions say not to install the mirror for 30 minutes, but I'm not going to put it on there until the end of the day, so it's going to be on here for about 8 hours. So as soon as I get off of work, we'll slide the mirror on, and we'll see if it actually works.
Alrighty guys, so we got it mounted. It's been way over 8 hours. I made it home and I hadn't put my mirror on yet, but we're fixing to slide it down over the button here until it clicks. This is the most this is the part I don't like, so I can't tell sometimes. Nope, it ain't down all the way. So what I'm gonna have to do is give it a little tap. Right here. It's almost there. Maybe I can give it just a little shove. A little bit more. Man, I don't want to break nothing. Oh, it went all right. Did it? Perfect. Yeah, it's on there good, man. I put some pressure on it. So, get my mirror back like I like it. Just adjust it right about there. Man, you don't realize how much you use your rear view mirror until it's gone. But anyway, that's how you do it, and that's how you do it correctly. For $3, not bad, not a bad repair that you can do at home yourself. The reason I did this repair in the morning, it says in the instructions to do it between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So you need to do it, you know, when it's fairly cool outside. If you don't have a garage, you'll just have to do it in the morning. Links to everything that I used to make this repair in the comments, or in the description below, excuse me. But y'all have a good day. Mower Medic 1.